Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I have one more deck, and it is Oracle deck. It is not a tarot deck, and I want to share it with you. And it is a Whisper of Love, and its sides, upside, downside, and at the back. There is some of the cards picked over here. I'm going to open this deck. Okay, guys, this is the cards. This is the its box. It is come in, and this is the card number 1, and it is listen with your heart. You are listening, but need to hear with a loving heart. Okay. Look how beautiful this card is. Listen with your heart. Yes. Then you have this like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Yes. Like attracts like. Beautiful card. Number 3 card. It is written over here. Number 3. Okay, then this is the back of what you love. Reevaluate your desires. Wow, reevaluate your desires. Find your path. Which path you want to go. Yes. Okay, now this is number 4 card. You are limitless. You can do anything you choose. Yes, you are limitless. Wow. Can you see that there is a little girl over there, and with this unicorn face there is the woman's face. Peacock feathers. Wow, beautiful card. These 2 swans, land. Yes, beautiful coloring. And now there is this 5. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the back of the cards. This is the back of the cards, and this is very beautiful, and it is also the one of the card. This pic is from one of the card. Okay, number 5, and this is simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. Yes, kindness. He have lots of friends, he or she, she, and she's feeding them, she's loving them. Simple acts of kindness. Okay. This is number 6, card number 6. Be willing to express love. Express love to receive love. Okay, express love to receive love. She has these shells, corals, or whatever you can say it, and there is some pole like things, a lot of beautiful things, beautiful colors. Then this card is card number 7, and the only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. Yes, beautiful card. Focusing on to what you want, what you love. Okay, number 8. Love who you are. You are divine and delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. Okay, love what you are. Okay, then and this is the 9 card. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. Okay. Yes, beautiful card. Don't make any effort for this thing. Let it be happen on its own. Okay, treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. Number 10. It is important to love others deeply. Wow. A mother and a child, her daughter. very good. And then 11, look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. Yes, inner strength. Wow, beautiful. Number 12, have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Beautiful card with these butterflies, and I think she is a butterfly fairy. She's holding the strings. Okay. Now, next card is miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. Then number 14, ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept support. Practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. Okay. Number 16, love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this as truth. Now this is have patience. Love is patient and kind always. Beautiful. Then this is the card of embrace your emotions. Allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. Allow your feelings to surface and be expected. Beautiful card. Okay, then this is the card of what is this? Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Okay. Now, this is what I had said to you, that this is the card, and this pic is also for the back of the cards. I love you. There are powerful words. And then choose love. You always have choice. Make yours with love. There are something going on, relatives. Okay. And then this is the heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. Yes, there is more going on. She is sleeping, and I think she is having the dreams over here. Now this is the card number 23, and take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Then this is the focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Yes. Okay, now this is the romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. 25th card. Then this is the new love. Embrace an opportunity for loving your work, prospects, or for spiritual growth. Lovely card. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Beautiful card. Okay, this is the card number 28. The union of hearts, a love connection, it defies explanation. Okay, beautiful card. The union of hearts, a love connection defies explanation. You have to explain something over here if you got this card sometime. Forgiveness, nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. There is the candle over her head. Yes, beautiful card. Forgiveness. Then this is 30th card. True love. This love is once in our life. Very good. There is this childlike figure and an old man. Then you have got here love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Relationships relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the needs for change. Card number 33. Appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. Speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. Okay, then act as if your partner is here. Whether you have someone in your life or not, act as if they are with you, so you will always consider them. Beautiful card. Honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. Be authentic, be real and true to who you are and how you feel. Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. Do something for someone. Give your attention to another. Rest and relaxation is essential. We all have a fundamental need to take a break. Love endures. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. '44 card. Get to know each other. Learn to meet another's need for love. Now this is the card of be sportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. Spend quality time together. Listen and talk to each other. Physical touch. A tender touch can mean so much. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. Actions speak loudly. Express your love through actions. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. Now guys, this is what I have for you for today, and I hope you like it, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.